in that ooh la la. Then backed out in that oh my god. Don't want no drama, ma.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Fresh face, let's go. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is conceal my eyebrows, and I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm using the color Warm Honey. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to blend out the concealer all over my lids with this blending brush. Then I'm going to take my spoolie, just comb out the front of my brows, make it look more natural. Alright, so my transition color, I went in with my Bad Habits palette, and I'm using the color Noble. Then I'm going to go ahead with my Wet n Wild All Naturel palette, and I'm going to use this black just to put it right there on my crease, and I'm just going to drag it down the sides of my lid as well, so make a dark little corner. Then I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is the color Cool Tan, and I'm going to go ahead and make my crease. Alright, for my lids, I'm going to go right back into that same palette, the Bad Habits Royce palette, and use the color Queen. I'm going to put that little, it's like a white shimmer. I'm going to go right back in the black and, just make it more smoky over there on the sides. Okay, then I'm going to grab my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in color 370 and just apply that all over the face. Okay, then I go ahead and grab my concealer. Same one I use for my brows, Warm Honey, in a damp beauty blender. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal. Blend, blend, blend. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with the Sacha Buttercup powder. I like to blow off any excess powder and really just push the powder to set my concealer instead of just brushing it off like everyone else does. So then I'm going to take that same black shadow and go ahead and extend it to the bridge of my nose, because that's what she has in the video. Make a little dramatic eye. Then here I'm doing just a regular cat's eye, nothing crazy. Some black liner on there. Alright guys, and I'm putting on some lashes. This is the first time putting them on while I was recording. Yo, I was nervous. Look at me. But it came out great. Look, okay, let's go. Then I use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just, get my lashes to blend in with the falsies. Okay, I take a little small smudge brush. I'm gonna go ahead and take that black underneath my eye, and then blend it out over there. Oh my gosh, I forgot to record my lips, you guys, but the lip details will be down below in the description box, I promise you. So here I'm gonna contour real quick. Nothing harsh, just calm, and bam, the glow is here. Yes, it's here on the bridge of my nose. Yes, honey. Okay, and this is the Okalan Cosmetics Shimmer Kit that I'm using. Woo! And of course the brow bone. Let's go.